In this video we are going to learn about distance and displacement. So let's say there are 2 points A and B, and there's a length of 5 meters. They are at a distance that they are at a length. The length AB is 5 meters, and if a person travels from A to B in time t, then AB is the distance. The 5 meters is the distance between A and B. There's a slight difference between length and displacement. Generally, we don't say there's a difference between length and distance. Every distance is a length, but every length is not a distance. The way we really say is, if we don't travel, we don't call it distance. It's only a length. There's a very slight difference, but now we are talking about distance only. So if a person goes from A to B in time t, then the length covered is the distance between A to B. And I don't think there is any other way to say what distance is. These fundamental quantities are a bit hard to define. Now, from distance we go to displacement, and in displacement we see that displacement, the fundamental difference between distance and displacement is distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. And how it is the difference between now for that we have to see the difference between scalar and vector. So scalar quantity is the one in which only the magnitude is important, whereas a vector quantity is the one in which direction and magnitude both are important. Magnitude is important and vector is magnitude and direction, both are important. This is a scalar, this is a vector, and distance is a scalar and displacement is a vector. So now we see these two in the light of being a scalar and vector. Here, distance, the direction we'll first define for displacement first. Again, there is a point A and B, and we go from A to B. Again, it is 5 meters only, 5 meters. Now, so we say that from the point A, the person has been displaced by 5 meters. Now the person comes back 3 meters. Comes back 3 meters, and now the distance from here is 2 meters. So now we say that a person is displaced from A by 2 meters. So just get the major difference here. The person is displaced from A by 2 meters, whereas the distance traveled by the person is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. This is the distance traveled by the person, whereas the displacement is only 2 meters. He has been displaced from the point A by 2 meters. Therefore, the direction first he goes right, then he comes left, is important in displacement, whereas in distance the total direction is not important. That person has come back is not important for distance. The person goes by 5 meters, it comes back 3 meters, and that is the total distance, and the distance does not require the direction. That is the way distance and displacement are defined. Thank you.